Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the oil life on your Acura TLX. First, make sure your car's ignition is turned to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the dashboard display and allows you to access the necessary menus. You'll be using the scroll wheel and the SEL/reset button, typically found on the right side of your steering wheel, to navigate through the options. Next, use the scroll wheel on your steering wheel to navigate through the options on your multi-information display. Look for vehicle settings and then press the SEL/reset button to select it. Once inside vehicle settings, continue scrolling down until you find the maintenance info option. This is where your oil life percentage and other service reminders are stored. Now that you're in maintenance info, select Maintenance Reset. The system will then prompt you to confirm. Scroll down to highlight Reset and press the SEL/reset button again. After a moment, your display should confirm reset completed or show your oil life at 100%. This indicates that the oil life monitor has been successfully reset for your next service interval. It's crucial to reset your oil life after every oil change to ensure accurate maintenance tracking. Forgetting this step can cause your vehicle to display incorrect service intervals, potentially leading to missed maintenance. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.